everyone, it's ShadowXXE here and I'm back with another review. This time it's the Kingston A2000 SSD. Now this SSD claims to be 35 times faster than a standard 7200 RPM hard drive, so we're going to test that theory. Anyway, let's get straight to the unboxing. Okay, I now have the SSD unboxed and this is everything that came with it. A activation key for Acronis True Image HD software, which is very handy if you want to image this drive here or migrate your OS, and also the SSD itself. I'm going to put this in my system and I'm going to see you then. Okay everyone, so we've actually got the SSD installed, and without further ado, let's get straight into the benchmarks. Okay everyone, so I have the performance results here, and obviously you see that the A2000 did much better than the old hard drive I've got, the Seagate Barracuda. Now obviously the reads are very good here, 2158, 1693, 652, 42 and all that, but I'm really disappointed that it didn't get a faster write speed. 305 and 302 is okay, it's better than the hard drive, but it's only by a factor of 2, which kind of disappointed me considering this is an NVMe SSD. But I mean, it's still good, you know, I would still take it. And personally, for the price I paid, which is £60, I would definitely recommend this SSD, even though it only got a performance benefit of 2 on the right side of things. In my opinion, it's still much better than a hard drive. I would definitely recommend picking it up. Anyway, that concludes this video. I will leave a link in the description to this SSD. But that's all from me for now. Leave a like, leave a comment if you want to, subscribe if you want to as well, and I will be seeing you in the next video.
Hello, do you receive my echo? My life is a party, my home is the club.